Hello and welcome back to POSAdvisors guide series for Encore POS. My name is Billy and today we'll be looking at the Sales by Station report. This new report can help you identify who's shopping at your drive-thru register, quickly spot a shortage or overage, and even track your wholesale business. Starting from the Encore POS login screen, log on to the Encore POS dashboard. Click the Reports tab, scroll over the Sales tile, and click on the Sales by Station report. We'll get started here by choosing the scope of the report. If you'd just like to see the totals of each station in your store, choose this option. I'll demonstrate this setting of the report first, as it is a bit different from the others. If you'd like to break the information down by specific categories as well as by station, choose one of these options. You can go by department, product type, or customer type. Next up is choosing the date range for the report. We can look back to yesterday, through the last week, month, 90 days, 6 months, or a year. We can also use the calendar tool to make a custom time frame. Once we've chosen the criteria we want, it's time to click the Submit button to run the report. This report has two columns of information: the station number and its associated sales number. This information is pulled directly from Liquor POS. On the bottom of the table, there's a total of all sales. If you'd like to export this report, click here to copy the table to your clipboard, here for an Excel file, here for a PDF, or here to send it directly to a printer. To save the setting you made to bring up this report as a shortcut for easy access later, click on this button. Click the Close button to return to the previous screen, where you can either click Done to return to the Reports tab, or click New Set to enter new settings for another Sales by Station report. Had we selected from one of these three options, we'd see a table like this. Up top, the toolbar is the same as before. In the table, the first column is sorted by the category chosen on the previous screen. Each station has its own column, breaking down sales by category. Totals for each station can be found on the bottom of the table, while totals for each category can be found on the far right of the table. Just as before, click the Close button to return to the previous screen, and click on Done to return to the Reports tab. That's it for this video today. Be sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest and greatest from POSadvisors. We'll have our website link and our support number in the description under this video, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.